Hello friends, welcome to the Amu Education. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 8th question. What is that? Angle of elevations, two angle of elevations making at the top of the tower from two different points. So this tower is standing from two different points. From that two different points, tower is making angle of elevations. So from this point and this point, that two angles are complementary to each other, and they are apart from one point is 4 meter apart from the tower and another point 9 meter apart from the tower. So we have to find what is the height of this tower. So let's going to consider what is meant by complementary. If addition of any two angles are making 90 degrees, then that two angles are called as complementary angles. So let's going to consider tower of the height of the tower. Let's height of the tower will be equal to, so what is the height? That is AC, that will be equal to h meters. So h meters. So we have to find what is the height of the tower, and these angles, angle B will be equal to, let's going to take theta. Then what is angle B? So B and D are making, angle B and angle D are complementary to each other. So complementary angles, then what you can write it here is, so angle B plus angle D will be equal to 90 degrees. So angle B we know that is theta, plus angle D will be equal to 90 degrees. Then what is the angle D? 90 minus theta. So what is this? 90 minus theta. So this is the values we are taken. So angle D and angle 90 minus theta. Then what is the distance from first point? AB is equals to, what is that? 4 meter, and AD will be equal to 9 meters. AD will be equal to 9 meters. So from these two we can calculate what are the distances and what is the height of this by using of relation. We don't know angles of elevations, but we consider theta and 90 minus theta. So from the first triangle, let's take in triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, angle B will be equal to what? Theta. Then what is AB here? So AB will be equal to 4 meters. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent. So tan B will be equal to what you can take? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Tan B means tan theta will be equal to, opposite side is what? AC. Then what is the adjacent side? AB. So tan theta, keep tan theta as it is. So AC is nothing but small h, and AB is nothing but 4. So h by 4, keep as it is. H by 4 meters. So this is tan theta will be equal to h by 4. So next one, this is take 1 equation 1. Then in triangle, what you can say, in triangle ADC, what is the tan D? So tan D will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? That is AC by, so adjacent side is what? AD. So AD we know that is 9 meters. So AD is equals to tan D. D will be equal to 90 minus theta. So AC, keep as it is. AC will be equal to, what is that? H by AD is nothing but 9 meters. So tan 90 minus theta, we know that is cot theta. If it is a cot theta, so 90 minus means opposite trigonometric ratio we will get. So cot theta will be equal to h by 9. H by 9. Let's take equation. So what is the equation? 2. So from equation 1 and 2, so from 1 and 2, that is, let's going to take 1 into 2. So what is the 1? Tan theta into 2 is cot theta. So 1 and 2, left side, right side, h by 4 into h by 9. So what are the values here? So tan theta will be equal to, into cot theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta. Can you write it like this or not? Cot theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta, as we know that. So h square, h into h, 4 9s are 36. So tan theta will going to cancel, 1 into h square by 36. So h square will be equal to 36. That implies h will be equal to square root of 36. This square will become square root. So h will be equal to 6. So 6 meters. So therefore height of the tower tower will be equal to 6 meters. That is, h will be equal to 6 meters. Height of the tower will be equal to 6 meters. So this is the way to find the solutions for any by using of any trigonometric ratios in the applications of trigonometry. Thanks for watching and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to